Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and be ready because we're gonna dive into more stuff, more merch. Today we're gonna review a nice piece that sold out immediately. We're going to review the Kith and Marvel X-Men Cyclops Vintage Tee. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next drop. So today we're gonna review the Kith and Marvel Cyclops Vintage Tee. Came out back in July. I ended up just grabbing this tee. Everything else sold out. And we also got the back here, Cyclops fire tee, super fire tee. I wish I could get more. I was only able to buy one. This is in black. You see the Kith box logo in red with the laser beam. You can feel the white going across. It did retail for $85. They are now reselling for probably a little bit more, I'm thinking. Great piece. Spring summer of 2023. Came out July 28th and it cost $85. Let's go ahead and dive in before we try this on. Right now, if you want to just buy it outright, you're paying $112 for a medium. Small 150, XS, small 150, large 140, XXL 148. Last sale shows that it was $82, and in the product description it says the collaborative Marvel times Kith X-Men Cyclops Vintage Tee is crafted of a premium 230 GSM cotton fabric, vintage wash with a specialized Kith logo printed on the front and Cyclops graphic printed on the back, complete with Marvel and Kith co-branding on the back. Great tee. So you got the Kith box logo and then you got the printed Cyclops in the back. Fire. Super fire. I needed this. This is the best one that I grabbed. It has so much others that I could have bought from. This was the one that caught my eye. If we go to GOAT, it shows large 158, XL 141. Everything else you gotta offer up XXL 208. That's GOAT's price. You can always throw your offer as well. And then this is the Kith site, and this is all that came out that day. So if you see the tees, you got a whole bunch here. They had a whole bunch of others. They're not available to see right now. You can just see the front, and this is the one that I grabbed right here. It also came with X-Men comic book. So fire. Came with this and a t-shirt. I haven't opened it, as you see, because I do want to get it graded. I know I can sell this for more if I get it graded, but it's still in the plastic, not taking it out the plastic, just in case it goes up in value. I do gotta grade it though, just in case, you never know. This is it right here, 60 years. It says Marvel and Kith right in the front. So if you see right here, Marvel and Kith, 60 years. And then in the back it says Toronto Kith. So right here, Toronto Kith. I'm not selling this until a good price. I did see it last year. It was going for like $500. We go to StockX. You can see it right now for $200. Last sale was $150. And this is graded. You can get this for non-graded for $18. Last sale $30. Either way, still will come up for me. But I'm gonna grade it. I have to grade it just so I can get at least the most out of it. Look, you can even see $500 ones here. $250. I'm definitely gonna hold this and get this graded. I was surprised when this came with the t-shirt. I'm like, insane. But the box logo were the ones that sold out immediately. Let's go ahead and try this out. And that wraps it up for our review for the Kith times Marvel Cyclops Vintage Tee. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews. And I'll catch you in the next video. We are out.